is the best and easiest way to start affiliate marketing without spending any money on ads or any huge following. It will be a four-step process. First, you need to find a product or an affiliate program. Before I tell you about that, I want to give you little bit introduction of affiliate marketing if you are new to this. So in affiliate marketing, you are going to sell other companies and other people's product. When someone buy that product from your affiliate link, you will make commission out of that. Now you don't need to provide any customer service, shipping charges, or delivery services. All of these things will be taken care of by the company itself. Now, what product you can sell, how much commission you will going to make, keep watching this video. I will share all of the things in this video. So step one is you need to find a product that you are going to promote. So to find a product, you need to choose a niche or an industry in which you are interested in or you are passionate about. I'll give you an example. Let's say you have all the knowledge about tech products that come in the market. You know all the products, you have all the knowledge. So you are already interested in that niche, and you can just find some products, good amazing products in the market. You can start promoting those products and make commission out of that. Another example, let's say if you are passionate about health, so you can find amazing products that you are already using. You can even start, actually that's the best way. If you are already interested, you are already passionate about something, you are passionate about health niche, and you are already using some products, and you can become an affiliate for those products and you can start promoting those products. So how someone can choose the niche? Choose a niche in which you are interested in or you are passionate about. It's simple, like you like to talk about those things, but there are some things that you need to take care of while choosing a product. So first is make sure whatever industry you are choosing, that should be growing. Okay, it means there are high demand of those products in the market, and you can easily find tons of affiliate products. Like there should be good affiliate products available in the market, so that you can start promoting those products, and that will pay you good commission, not just $5 to $10. Otherwise you will need large number of sales. So choose a niche in which you are interested in, you are passionate about, you love to talk, you love to read about that topic, and there are tons of, not tons, but like there are good affiliate products available in the market. Also, there should be a high demand of those products in the market. So you need to keep all of these things in mind while choosing the product. And there are hundred of niches you can choose from, like softwares. And if you're interested in fashion, you can just pick some product related to fashions or interior designing, and you can start promoting those products. And before I tell you where you can find these products, I want to tell you what kind of products you can promote. So there are two kind of products. First, digital products, and second is physical product. First, I tell you about physical product. Physical product are simple, like table, chair, this laptop, notebook. All of these things are physical products. So physical products that pays you less commission unless you are promoting some high ticket products. High ticket products are those that pay you uh, good commission, that pay you high commission, like $500, something $500, $1,000, more than $500. That is high ticket product. That even physical product, there are some physical product also available in the market that pays you high commission. So these are physical products. And second category is digital products, like courses, coaching, softwares. And I prefer to promote digital products because it is easy to deliver. Digital products, so you can just access everything in your laptop. And there are digital products in the market, high ticket products that pays you more than $500 commission, $1,000 commission. So you just need 5 to 10 sales to make good amount of money. And with the physical product, what happens is you need large number of sales, unless you are really promoting a good stuff, like you are promoting high ticket product. So it's but if you are something you're really interested in, that you niche is something related to physical product, then definitely go for it. If you find enjoyable, that then you should go for it. So now question is, one more thing I want to tell you. So, like in the digital products, there are some products like software that I love to promote that pays you recurring commission. That means if someone sign up for the software, one of the email marketing software this month, if that person going to sign up again to the software next month, you will going to make commission next month also. You don't need to do anything for that. That's called recurring commission, so that you will get commission every single month. That's what I love about digital products. Now question is, where you can find these products. There are many different ways to find, but here I'll tell you two simple ways that you can follow. So first is, you can go to marketplaces like ClickBank. All I think all of you must heard about the ClickBank. So you can go to ClickBank. You can go to JVZoo. It's one of the affiliate platform. ClickBank, JVZoo, Share a Sale, and so these are the platform that you can go and pay. There are, you will find so many categories. Even you can go to these marketplace to find, okay, which category products I can start promoting. So you can go to marketplace and find a product. Just make sure whatever product you are promoting, that should be valuable, that company should be legible. Like it's not like something that not providing valuable products, so it should take care of the, like they are really taking care of their customers. So just do a little bit research about those company also that you are going to work with. Also that pays you good amount of commission. That make sure that, because you are going to work for it, you are going to hard work for that, so you should pay at least decent amount of money. Now this is the first way. Another way is, you can make a list of all the successful entrepreneurs, influencers in your niche. Let's say I am into affiliate marketing niche. So what I did, I created a list of all the successful entrepreneurs who at 7 or 8 figure. So I just because many times what happens, there are so many valuable products in the market that's not in those marketplace like ClickBank and JVZoo. So that's why create a list of all the, like, you admire. Okay, this is the entrepreneur I admire a lot in your niche. You admire a lot in your niche. So you can go find whether they have also a product. They have an affiliate program. If they have an affiliate program, you can join that program. You can join that program and promote to that product, or you can even do partnership with them. You can send them email and just let them know, okay, I am interested in promoting your product too, and then you can decide your commission and all of the things. Sometimes you will able to find lot of amazing products that not in the marketplace. So that's what I because I the products I promote that are private and like those are not in the market, but really amazing products. Once you choose your niche and product, and before you start driving traffic to your affiliate products, I there is an important step that you need to do. You cannot skip this step. So you first need to build an automated system. Now here, the new affiliate make mistakes, and that's why 80% of the new affiliates or the people who start affiliate marketing not able to make money with affiliate marketing, and they start calling it a scam, because the model they are following, that is outdated. Right now that model doesn't work. I'll tell you what that model is, but before that I want to ask you a question. Do you buy any product in just like first time you see a product and you just buy that product? I don't. Sometimes I even forget about the product. Sometimes, okay, like I don't know whether it's a legit or whether it's a legit or even a good product. Can I trust on that product or not? So we have so many questions in our mind before buying the product. So what affiliates do, or the people who just started, what they do, they send traffic directly to the affiliate offers. Now people don't buy, like people have so many questions, just like I just told you. So they don't buy in the first go. They need to know whether this product will going to help them or not. Is it a legit, or is it not something scam and all? So they need to know all of these things. So the model I'm going to tell you, if you follow that model, that will increase your conversion rate 10 to 20 times as compared to that old model, and that's hardly work. You will only get to hardly 1% conversion, that by luck, with the old model if you send traffic directly to the sales page. That is outdated, that doesn't work now. What you need to do is you need to build an email list first. I will tell you step by step how you can build that and why you need to have an email list. So you are going to build your email list. Why, I'll tell you now how you can build an email list. You need two things to build your email list. First, a lead magnet and a funnel. Before I tell you funnel, I'll tell you what is lead magnet. Lead magnet is something that you are giving for free to your audience. It can be like checklist, PDF, free training, so that they can start trusting you, or you build some authority. Also, they will give you their email address. Now, once you have their emails, you can follow up with them. Okay, you can send them the questions, whether like related to the product. You can follow up with them, or let's say even they buy the product. You did all the hard work. You build traffic, you send traffic. Now, but if you have an email list, not just one time, you can make money 10 times, 20 times with the same person if you have an email list. Also, you can build multiple streams of income, that I will tell you in another videos, not in this video, if you have an email list. So that's why we are building an email list, because first people doesn't buy like this. They need to know, like, and trust you. Once they trust you, then they will going to buy from you. And this automated system will help you to build trust, authority, and even increase your conversion rate 10 to 20 times. Okay, so what is this system is all about? It's very simple. You need a lead magnet and a funnel. You need to build your email list, and like all the traffic you will send to your funnel. I will tell you about funnel, how the funnel build. So you are going to you are going to send your traffic to the funnel. What funnel is all about? It will going to be a simple two page. Like on the one page, there will be the headline about lead magnet, like you are giving them a free checklist. Okay, 10 recipes to lose weight with the keto diet. So something like this. I don't know much about this. So like 10 10 viral reel ideas. So you are giving them a checklist, or a PDF. So they need to enter their name and email first to grab that PDF, and then they will add into your email list. This is the system is all about. Once people are in your email, you will going to send them email 2 3 times a week, every day. It's up to you what kind of email you will send. That will I will tell you later now, how that process will look like. So that is the funnels. I'll tell you, like, I'll connect the dots. So what you need to do is, it will be a system that will generate leads, that will going to generate leads and sales for your on autopilot. I'm not telling you it will happen in just like overnight, but it will take 3 4 months. But once you build the system, you'll keep adding people into your email list, and you will sell them on the emails. That's how you're going to make multiple streams of income. Now, once you build your system, automated system, you will get a link, also the funnel link, that you will put in your bio. So you will send all the traffic to your funnel. All right. And if you are like, I want to see how this process look like, how can you can build this process, let me know in the comment. I will create another video to explain all that, show you on the screen. Now it's time to add fuel to your business. Let's talk about the traffic. So once the automated system is ready, now you are going to send traffic. Send traffic. What traffic means? If you are new to this, basically people who are interested, who are showing interest in your product. who might be interested in your product. Now, how you can do that online? There are two ways to that. First is organic traffic, second is paid traffic. Now, for the paid traffic, you need to run ads, so you need to put some money. Other is organic traffic, you don't need to put any money for that. You can do that by creating content on different platforms, social media platform like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So what I'm going to talk about is organic traffic, because that's what I have been using. So first, you need to create your account on social media, and if I assume, I guess all of the people right now have a account on social media, but which platform you are going to use, that is the most question I asked. Now don't just go with the random platform, find where your ideal customer is. Are they more on the YouTube? Are they watching YouTube? Are they on Instagram? Are they on the Facebook? You need to figure out that. If you're able to figure out that, then things will become easy for you. So choose a platform where you will easily able to find your ideal customer. Let's say they are on the Instagram, so create an Instagram account and optimize your profile. Have a clear, or on the YouTube also, or on the Facebook also, optimize your profile, put in the bio what you do, how you can help them, your expertise, and all of the things. Then you need to start creating content to attract your ideal customer. Okay, so how you can do that? There are two type of content you can create. First, short form videos and long form videos. So short form videos right now fastest way to create get attention, to get traffic. But it's, if you are new, if you're doing this first time, so let me just tell you the reality. It's not going to happen overnight. It will take you at least 90 days to, because you need to first understand, okay, how you are going to create content, how videos are going to create, like how should videos will going to be create, what's the hook, how you are going to write the script. So start by creating short form videos. That is the fastest way to get traffic. And I also recommend you start a YouTube channel also, and start creating and create because short form videos are like to attract people attention. Now with the long form videos, they will able to know you, trust you more as compared to short form videos, because then they will buy from you. Now once you keep creating the content, people will come to your profile, they start liking your content, and they will go to your funnel, grab your lead magnet, and all of these things. Then once you and add 1000 to 2000 people in your email list, that should be your first goal, to build an email list of 1000 2000 people. Now this is why I'm telling you, because for this you don't need to learn about, like you need to learn about sales, but you are not don't need to like pro in the sales. You don't need to go on a sales call, you don't need to sell, like you can just write an email, and that's the easiest way. You don't need to even show your face. So that's is the easiest way for the beginners, but it's still going to take time. But even if your job, all of these system will be going to work in the automatic. Okay, so once build an email list of 1000 2000 followers, people, and keep nurturing them by sending them daily or weekly 3 to 5 times emails, and share your story, educate them, and answer their questions, and educate them about online business, what you are doing, about the product, how that product can help them, what problem you can solve, but for problem you can solve. Just when you do, they start like, and they come to you, okay, I want to buy this product, when you follow the step by step. So let me, okay, I'll share you a industry starts with you. So when you if have 1000 2000 follow people in your list, and you nurturing your list, you will should able to make at least $1000 per month. That's the industry starts. If you can even make more, but starts at least you can make with the 1000 2000 people in your list. Now if you want to learn how you can start creating content, like how you can start creating videos, then click here and watch this video.